to Divalog. So it is the festive season and I know that you might be looking for masks that will make your skin look glowing and healthy and make it soft and everything of that sort. So today I have a very exciting video concept. I will be sharing with you 5 masks that requires only 1 ingredient each. We are not considering water as an ingredient, so yeah. But you're going to be requiring only 1 ingredient that you might already have in or around your house. I would however like to state, before you put anything on your face, make sure you do a patch test. Make sure you're not allergic to anything or something does not react to your skin. So yes, patch test is a must. Now all of these masks are pretty amazing and they serve different purposes. So if you have a particular issue that you want to target, you want to pick out a mask that suits your purpose and you want to apply it every alternate day so that your skin can heal up pretty nicely and it will look its best on Diwali. Or if you just want glowing, softer skin, what you can do is you can make one of these masks each day of a week and apply it on your skin. That's what I think I'm going to be doing as well, like mask a day with these masks, because they're amazing and so gentle on your skin. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know 5 1 ingredient masks, then please keep on watching. Alright, for the first mask, you're going to need a slice of papaya and you just want to slice it up. Basically, you want the peel, so just make sure you slice it up nicely and remove the fruit part of it. Then you can piece it up as well. You require only 1 to 2 pieces per usage, so you can store the rest in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. And your mask is ready. You just want to take 1 or 2 peels and start massaging it onto your face. You want to massage for 5 to 10 minutes and then you want to let the mask sit on your face for another 5 to 10 minutes depending on your preference. And once the mask is sitting on your face, you want to wash it out to reveal a nice and refreshed skin. Next up, you're going to be needing neem leaves. This is great for people who suffer from acne. So you just want to take some neem leaves and want to add a splash of water to it, just a little bit. We will be adding more later on. You just want to grind it together. Basically, we are making a neem chutney, if you would say so. And I'm just going to grind it together till you get a thick sort of a ball sort of a consistency. I don't know how to explain it. This is what it will look like. And then I'm going to add more water to ensure I know the consistency that I want. If you add too much of water in the beginning, it can be slightly liquidy. So you just want to make sure you have control over that. And once that is done, you just want to apply it all over your face. Now this will ensure that there is no bacteria on your skin. This is great for everyone out there, even if you don't really suffer from acne, as it will just remove all of the bacteria from your face. And let it dry down, and this is what it will look like once it's dry. And then you want to wash your face to again reveal nice and clean skin. For the third mask, I'm going to use red rice. You can use brown or white. The lesser processed it is, the better it will be for you. And that's why I'm using red rice. You want to take a spoonful of it and you just want to pulse it a couple of times to get sort of a coarse rice flour. And you want to go for a consistency that's not super grainy or super flour-like. So just, work around it. And once that is done, all you want to do is you want to take it out in a bowl and you want to add a little bit of water. You can add a little bit extra as well, as this will absorb some water. So just add some water and you want to mix it all together. Now red rice is great for your skin as it will brighten up your skin, and because it's sort of like a scrubby consistency, it will also soften your skin up. And once your mask is ready, you want to go for a consistency like this, not super liquidy but spreadable. You want to scrub it out first and then you want to let it sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just scrubbing right here, and this is sort of messy. This is the messiest mask out of them all. So you probably want to do it while you're in the shower itself. So yeah, I'm just scrubbing and applying the mask right now. It will stick to your face, and once it's dry, you want to remove it to get brighter, even toned skin. Next up, you're going to be using cocoa powder. Now cocoa powder is an amazing antioxidant, so you just want to take a little bit of it and you want to add some water to it, and again just mix it up. Mix it really well. Cocoa powder does take a little bit time to mix up, so just mix it well, and you want to go for a consistency that looks like a ganache right here. Try not to eat it and only apply it to your face, and this is unsweetened, so even if you eat it, it's probably not going to taste as delicious as a cocoa powder, like a drinking chocolate powder. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and then you want to let it sit for a while so that it dries down. This will also tighten up your pores and your skin, so you have lesser wrinkles, and here it is dried down. You just want to remove it afterwards, again for beautiful, phenomenal skin. The last mask I have is going to be using oats, and again you want to put it in your grinder and you want to pulse it a couple of times to get sort of a oats flour per se. But yes, you want to grind it a couple of times. The consistency we are going for here again is not super flour like, but slightly on the coarse side. And again, you want to add some water. Again, add a little bit extra, keep it a little liquidy, as oats will absorb water, and that's what will make this mask better. So once the oats have absorbed some water, you want to leave it for 15 minutes and they will absorb the water. Once that is done, you just want to apply it on your skin. Again, you can scrub with this, but this is not as scrubby as the rice one. This is less scrubby. You want to apply a slightly thicker layer of this on your face, and you want to let it sit on your face for 10-15 minutes, and then you just want to wash it off once it's dry, which will look something like this. And this will ensure that your skin is softer and just beautiful. With that, I finished my 1 ingredient mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. Do let me know if you'd like to see more such videos wherein I share with you 1 ingredient mask for your face, body, hair, whatever. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to do it for you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.